Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Muhammadul Hakiki, NPM 1911040356. I'm from class 6B. Okay, in this video, I will review my mini research about analysis error in students writing descriptive text using simple present tense. The purpose of the research title Error in Students Writing Descriptive Text Using Simple Present Tense. In this study, the researcher is interested in examining the problem of students' error in writing descriptive text, where students still make a lot of writing errors, especially when writing essay about descriptive text. In addition, researchers are also interested in researching the problem of using students' grammar when writing descriptive text. As it is known that students' writing skills are still low, students also have not been able to use good and correct grammar. So the researchers took this because I want to know the types of mistakes students make when they write descriptive text using the simple present tense. Besides this, I also want to know what types of errors are most dominantly made by students when they write essay on descriptive text. In the chapter 2, Literature Review, in this section, there are relevant previous research and general area of the study. Relevant previous research, there is Nur Hairani Muhammad Sukirlan and Ujang Suparman entitled Error Analysis of Students Writing Descriptive Text Based on Survey Strategy Taxonomy. General area of the study, in this research, there are error analysis, writing, descriptive text, and simple present tense. In chapter 3, research methodology. Number 1 is research design. In this research, the researcher using descriptive qualitative because in this study, the observer collects the data, make analysis, and draw conclusion. Number 2 is data and data sources. The data are students' descriptive text essay and the data sources are MA Ali class Martapura students. Number 3 is instrument. In this research, the instrument used to collect the data were researcher and writing tests. Number 4 is technique collecting data. In this research, the researcher collect the data, use documentation, and tests. Number 5 is data analysis technique. The technique of data analysis which is used by the writer in this research is qualitative analysis technique, which function is to describe and interpret the result of quantitative data. And the last is trustworthiness of the data. Trustworthiness in qualitative research is important because it checks the validity of the data used to contradict the assumption of unscientific qualitative research. Trustworthiness check reduce data bias and increase the validity of the data collected. The researcher made a triangulation of checking the reliability of the data by comparing the result. Chapter 5 is conclusion and suggestion. Conclusion. Types of error are usually made by class 11 MA Ali class Martapura students in using the simple present tense in writing descriptive text. Based on the description in the previous chapter, it can be concluded that class 11 IPS 2 MA Ali class Martapura still make mistake when students are asked to make a descriptive text about animals. Types of error made by students in writing descriptive text are based on surface taxonomy strategies which are classified as misformation, addition, omission, and misordering. After calculating the addition, the researcher found a total 99 errors consisting of 44 omission, 25 addition, 23 misformation, and 7 misordering. From the data above, it can be seen that the omission is the most error made by class 11 MA Ali class Martapura students in writing descriptive text using the simple present tense, followed by addition, misformation, and finally the lowest is misordering. I will give the example students' error in writing descriptive text using simple present tense. Based on survey strategy taxonomy, there are omission, addition, misformation, and misordering. Number 1 is omission. Example of student mistake in omission. A. Monkey is animals. The sentence above is wrong because in the blank space there is an article. The word animal in the sentence in a singular noun. This error occurs because students don't know the use of articles to make singular nouns. From the incorrect sentence above, it can be concluded that the correct one is that monkey is an animal. Example number 2 is elephants have gray skin, 4 legs, and a trunk. The sentence above is a wrong sentence. Students don't know the plural form. If the noun is plural, it must be added s or es after the noun. One form must be without additional s or es. If using is, the form must be singular. If using are, the form must be plural. From the incorrect sentence above, it can be concluded that the correct one is the elephant with gray skin, 4 legs, and a trunk. Number 2 is addition. The example number 1 is the eyes of animals is small. The mistake the writer made was the added before small. The article must be removed from the sentence in order to become well-formed sentence. Revise the sentence to it is small. Example number 2 is he also like milk. The sentence above is wrong because this error occurs because students still do not know that an article is only used to make nouns, especially for definite articles. A and N are used for singular countable nouns. The word like in the sentence above is a verb, so it doesn't need an article. From the incorrect sentence above, it can be concluded that the correct sentence is he also likes milk. Number 3 is misformation. The example misformation number 1 is the dog eats the food used and big. This type of error occurs because students are confused in using the articles a and n. In this case, students don't know how to use the article a or n in a sentence to mark singular nouns. So the correct sentence is the dog eats the food used big. The example misformation number 2 is elephant is eat grass. The sentence above is wrong. This error occurs because students don't know the use of main verbs and linking verbs in a sentence. She is still confused about using the main verb in a sentence, or he can't tell the difference between the main verb and linking verb. From the incorrect sentence above, it can be concluded that the correct sentence is elephant eats grass. Number 4 is misordering. The example misordering number 1 is I love panda because panda is animal beautiful. This error occurs because students don't know how to put adjectives in a sentence. In this case, students don't know the position of the beautiful adjective which should be placed before the noun. The students are influenced by Indonesian sentences. The truth is, I love panda because panda is a beautiful animal. The example misordering number 2 is I can huge cat cute every morning. This error occurs because students still don't know the pattern of noun clauses. The head in a noun clause must be placed at the end or close. Students don't know the position of the modifier in the noun clause. Adjective like cute in this cat must be placed before the noun cat. So the truth is I can huge cute cat every morning. Okay, that's all from me. I'm sorry if there are many mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.